Lights out, shades and you know the vibes. Doorman, blue cheese and we inside. Real low, yeah, we sipping like a riptide. Pink pills, drop through the trapdoor. Back room, red ropes, there's a little more. Cheap thrills, I got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before.
Come get real close, let me show you something.
You ain't seen nothing like this before.
Let me show you something. Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close.
Actually, yung pagdating niya, blessing na for me. Kasi actually, hindi ako naghahanap ng partner. Mahilig ako makipagkaibigan, ganyan. So, sobrang unexpected. So, totoo nga na kapag di mo hinihiling, pag binigay talaga ni God, dadating na lang talaga siya ng kusa.
Naririnig mo ba ang mga kanta? Teka, wag ka munang aalis. Ngayong andito ka, isa kang himala. Teka, wag ka munang aalis. Dahil pangako
So, ayun, love. It's our wedding day today. No turning back. Good luck sa'yo. Hi, love. This is your first tablet. Naway magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. I'm sorry dahil alam ko naman iPad talaga gusto mo. Pero kahit ganon, paman, love, sana ma-appreciate mo itong munting regalo ko sa'yo. I love you pa lang.
Love, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay nating dalawa. Bago man tayo napunta sa agtong ito, alam ni Lord na madami pagsubok ko ang ating pinagdaanan. Pero pag si Lord talagang magplano, yak na ibibigay sa'yo.
Jason, 3 years ago, we met at work. Back then, I wasn't searching for love. I was just moving through life, clocking in and out, convinced marriage wasn't for me. Not because I didn't believe in love, but because I thought finding someone who truly loves you is like finding a rare treasure, something only the lucky ones get to keep. Then you came along. You listened to my doubts, loved my flaws, and accepted me for who I am. Loving you has been like learning to sail. Sometimes calm, sometimes stormy, but always worth the journey.
Kasama kang tumanda, huwag kang mag-alala kahit pa lumabo ang
Always ask God's intervention. Mold you into a good lover. Lover just like Jesus. Kung ganon, kayong pinagsasama ng Diyos, hindi na mapaghihiwalay ng tao.
ang kiliw ko.
Kaya love, kahit na anumang nahamon ng ating buhay, gano'n pa kahirap ang sitwasyon ng ating buhay, pangako ko sa iyo na magkakasama pa rin tayong aahon. At tandaan mo na sa hirap man o sa saya, sa sakit o sigla, pangako hindi ko bibitawan ang iyong kamay hanggang sa uling sandali ng aking hininga. Alam kong walang permanente sa mundo, kaya piliin ko maging masaya hanggat kasama kita.
Kasama kang tumanda, huwag kang mag-alala kahit pa lumabo ang matay. Ayos lang basta't kasama ka't langit ba?
It wasn't easy at first. The trust issues, the distance, and the challenges of knowing you deeply despite the miles between us. But through every wave, you stayed. As we stand here today, I promise to love you with no holding back. Through every season, through every tide, through your highs and lows, I promise to wait for you no matter how far the ocean takes you, and to keep choosing you every single day.
Walang iba, huwag kang ikaw ang sinta, ikaw lang sapat na. Kasama kang tumanda, huwag kang mag-alala kahit pa lumabo ng mata.
Let's chase our dreams together, whether on land or across the seas. Thank you for loving me at my worst and showing me that real love isn't perfect, but it's strong enough to weather any storm. And today, in front of everyone, I choose you, my partner, my best friend, and my
Andito ka lang sa piling ko, ang kiliw ko.